Let's talk about the one piece of plastic that can either build your wealth or bury you in financial quicksand. Yep, credit cards. They look innocent, shiny, colorful, maybe even with cashback rewards and airline miles that you think will take you to Dubai. But if you misuse them, you won't be going anywhere but straight to Brokeville. Population, you. The number one mistake people make, only paying the minimum balance. Yep, that little box on your credit card bill that says minimum payment, $43.21. It's a trap. A delicious legal trap designed by banks to keep you paying forever. You think you're being responsible? At least I paid something. But guess what? You just gave the bank a front row seat to your wallet for the next 7 years. Let's break it down. You spend $1,000 on your credit card. Minimum payment, maybe $35 a month. Sounds manageable until you realize that with interest, you could be paying back $2,000 or more. For that TV you no longer watch and those shoes you scuffed after one night out. You're not paying for the stuff. You're paying for the time it took you to pay for the stuff. Banks are smart. They want you to stay in that sweet spot. Not broke enough to default, but not rich enough to pay in full. Just enough to keep that interest dripping. So what should you do? Always pay your balance in full every month. If you can't pay it off, don't charge it. Know your interest rate. Most people don't even check. If it's 20% or more, that's not just interest. That's a robbery with receipts. Use credit cards for rewards, not survival. If you're using credit to buy groceries, it's time to revisit your budget. Credit cards should work for you, not the other way around. Freeze it if you must, literally. Put it in a block of ice, hide it from yourself, give it to your mom, whatever it takes to stop the swipe spree. Bonus tip, build credit the smart way. Want a great credit score? Keep utilization under 30%. Pay on time, don't close old accounts, and never carry a balance unless it's part of a strategic plan. Credit is a tool, not a crutch. Use it right, and it can help you buy a house, lower your insurance rates, or even score that sweet 0% financing offer. Use it wrong, and you're in debt for a bag of Cheetos and a late-night Target run. Credit cards aren't evil, but the way most people use them is banks profit from your mistakes. So don't just be a customer, be a strategic weapon of wealth. Swipe smart, pay in full, never just do the minimum, because minimum effort equals maximum regret.